Hi everyone, welcome to QAlearn.com. Here I'm going to give you a 5 minutes overview of this entire training, but in a high level context. So we have obviously learned the skills, practice the skills, but what is important in our training and most of the students, the reason they get the job because we make sure that they master the skills. That is important. Training overview. We have manual testing plus automation testing, and that's where it matters because if you have only manual testing experience, you will have about 80% chances. Now let's say from 60 to 80% chances of getting a job. But by adding automation testing, you can cover the remaining industry as well, right? So that's why we have added manual testing plus automation testing. Uh, the tools that we'll be using QTP tool for automation. Teaching methods. So in the first basic level, I'll because most of the students are very new to this industry, so I explain right from the scratch, which will be basic level in which I'll explain that about the IT industry, about QA basics, and moving forward we will have a kickoff project. So once everyone learn this step one, then we will go to step two, which is the kickoff project. We will schedule a meeting, we will kick off a project in which I'll share the scope of the project, the requirements, and then based on that, we will be uh, working on a project in which students will have an opportunity to learn uh, all the QA skills in terms of project by working that project. Then when they are working, that's where uh, the students will practice, they will learn, right? And here they are going to master the skills. Once they master the skills, I will also give you interview training, and then we will obviously, that's where the task is, that make sure that all the students get the job. Then these steps, basic knowledge of QA industry. Step two will be I will give you real examples, and I will also make sure that we will give you assignments based on these real examples, so that uh, you know how to create actual test cases, actual test plans, right? Actual defect, how we submit actual defect, and what the basic methods of those, and also the advanced method. Then I will make sure you not only learn but master the skills. So that's the part of or training in which students, they not only learn but they also master the skill. Videos plus notes, right? In videos, you will now, so each video of our class will be recorded. So suppose if you miss the session for some reason, you can still watch those videos. You will have about 90 days access to it. If you need additional access, please feel free to email me. Then we'll also get previous course videos that I will share once your session is over, so that you don't mix it up. So in that way, that suppose the course is ended, all videos you can watch now. I will give you additional link in which you will have access to the previous class videos. So that will also clear your concepts. And remember, most of the projects, like every project is little different than the previous one. So you will have an opportunity to learn different skills later on. Then notes that I will share after every session, and I will also give you library access in which you will find a lot of information in terms of interview, in terms of notes. Uh, then we also have a, a community in which you can ask any QA related questions, or even if you are at work, you can you can email to our community and ask any type of question, and we'll be happy to help you. Or support line is 24/7 available. So all you need to email us, and we will explain you that what you need to do moving forward. Then in QA basic, what I'll be, this is some like high level course content. I will explain basic knowledge, industry, uh, like about QA, and all the scenarios will be based on real examples. Then advanced skills, all testing documents, how we conduct all types of testing, XML validation, data feed, data mapping, database testing, backend testing. So all those type of advanced skills that you when you are working on a project, that we will be covering all these the advanced skills. Then automation testing. I'll first give you some about 3 to 4 videos about basic about QTP. Then we will introduce base VB scripting. That's the only language QTP understand. And then we have real examples. So the project which we will be working on QTP will be based on real project. Then as I explained, data feed processing, transformation of data, that we will learn about. Then the quality center tool and Jira tool, these are two defects tool. There are other tools in the market as well, but these are one of the most common tools in the industry. So I'll be also giving you videos and giving you how you will be using these tools. Then SQL, we will have basic knowledge of SQL. So every all of your lectures will be starting from a very basic to advanced level. And then the interview training. In the interview training, we will schedule a real it will be mock-up interview, but it will be from real managers, right? So that and they will let me know that the feedback that about your interview, and then I'll make sure that you don't repeat those mistakes. So in future, when you have an interview, we will also schedule a one-to-one session with you to make sure that you track the interview, because that is the most important, and that's our scope of the entire this course. Job placement, yes, we do offer job placement, and you can also work find job on your own, or we can also help you to find a job. So there are two options, and that you can find in our FAQ section. So team, thank you for watching the video, and please email me at qualityassurance44@gmail.com, or you can use www.qalearn.com and go to contact us. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thanks. Bye.